Chapter 1. Amalia. Year 500 PBM. They say the sky used to be full of dragons. Every day, people from all corners of the kingdom would look up to the skies and see great scaled beasts soaring through the clouds. Some dragons were the size of a horse and only had 2 legs. Others had 4, and were so large they would blot out the suns themselves, covering the world in darkness. Dragons were revered as gods. Many believed that dragons were gods, for they were beings of a higher order. Every dragon receives the memories of their ancestors, giving them magical powers beyond anything you could even imagine. All was well in the kingdom. Dragons lived in peace, side by side with all other species. The land flourished, ripe with magic and life, as everyone lived in harmony. Until the day a giant portal made of a twisted, evil kind of magic ripped into existence in the center of our continent. Until the day they emerged. The Fae. A greedy, righteous race of supernaturals. No one knew quite where they came from. There were no accounts of any Fae in any of the scrolls. What's more, they wielded a strange, life-draining magic. But the people welcomed them with open arms, as was their way. They trusted the Fae, as did the dragons. If only they had known the truth of things. The Fae did not bow, nor did they see the dragons as gods. Instead, they looked to the skies and saw power. For the Fae were a selfish race, always wanting more. In the name of their god, a great, all-knowing being they claimed was the source of life itself, Constantine. In his name, the Fae began claiming our kingdom as their own. The Fae broke our world, broke the natural order of things. The skies are empty now. The land was sucked dry of magic, leaving many homeless and without work. The Fae captured the dragons, captured all rare magical creatures, even going so far as to create fenced-in parks where Fae royals could hunt unicorns and mighty griffins for sport. Those who live in the warmer Eastlands and even in the Southlands near the Infinium Desert would see the occasional dragon, but now they are an omen for bad tidings to come. The dragons that were forcibly bred were of a more domestic sort, able to be controlled and trained. Together with their riders, they formed the Dragon Guard, an elite unit of 10 Fae dragon riders who acted as the enforcers for the High Council in Castellaren. Anything can become a weapon in the right set of hands. Even a god. Vivid dreams of flying through the sky on the back of a great winged dragon fade away as slumber dissipates. My eyelids are heavy, laden with thick sleep, resisting as I pry them open. For a moment, there is just darkness. Then my dry eyes adjust and I take in the threadbare room, dust twinkling in the cold morning air. Outside my slight window, fog coats the mountains of the densely packed trees of the Ulsterwald, a sprawling forest and mountain range that covers half our continent. The north is the largest region in Erdonye, but it's the least populated. Far in the distance, direwolves howl, the haunting melody drifting across the tree line. Most in my town found the sound to be terrifying. It never scared me, though. The sound didn't give me goosebumps or set my hair on end. Instead, the howls made me feel at home. Every day of my life is the same as the day before. Wake up, eat, work, sleep, repeat. There would be no sleeping in. I have responsibilities and can't afford to miss a day of work or do anything that could jeopardize it.